Hello, ma'am. Tarba. Ngarang question kaya wala. Oversi ngasi class si makasa tanaba. Uh, from where should we start? Silu agre ko. Sito ko taba. So let us start from here. A very good evening to everyone. So ngasi class board and stream ngasi class solution si ko. Aduga class si taunaba hawsi ma'am. My onjan biro. Class si kamay tauge have the yeng si ko. So try this first question. Pekhazu question lagtra min na ma'am kay tauge ko khosige do khanaro. Aduga any doubt there jo habiro ko pekha kuidra bani. The time is ticking. Sound clear loina oiraba ma'am punmak. Hore question je ngarang tawdugi makhani tawiro. Asi board and stream lotion bang amreng siko. So let us do very in the swift approach. क्या तारे होत पिरो मैम संगना रो कई दौड़ी के क्लास हो रही So the ratio of the speed of boat and in still water and the speed of the stream, if 5 is to the difference between the distance covered a boat in 3 hours upstream and 3 hours downstream is 9 kilometers. What is speed of the boat upstream? Follow. क्या target answer? Everyone, welcome to our channel. Ma'am, hot piro. Si kya tayo? Asi kisi paraja hai na bataw ko. So I'm waiting for everyone to join the session, and let us do this problem very soon. The ratio of speed of the boat in still water ka stream ka pira mein 5:2 ne difference between the distance covered by boat in 3 hours upstream and 3 hours downstream is 9. Ngarang aina hai gi bato. Ngarang aina hai gi kay hai gi samaina stream mamale samaina challe pung ahum mama 3 hours upstream da kare yarba aduga 3 hours sama kumdar agadi at least magi distance to khara saturated or kani hana distance so kitang hena bithor kani ko. So this is a distance of 9 kilometer. This 9 kilometer is given by a combination of upstream the pung ahum chale downstream the pung ahum amaga chale adugi ani dugi combination neba pung ahum ka khale pung ahum kumdare. That means pung taruk ama kile there is a gap or there is a kahita pull up na 6 hours hai si changa kan tholini ka bada ju matam ware kum bada ju matam hentwe matam chamma ka bada pung ahum kum bada ju pung ahum aduna samaina straight line chalam magadi chamana distance laigadabdo hentoi je kanana pi neba. It is given by the stream. Maram aduna stream gi speed se kya no mana distance kya what is the speed of the boat upstream have ne ko. So the 9 kilometer ki distance hai kanana pi neba speed is equal to distance by time have distance 9 le re time di kya no 3 plus 3 di 6 hours. So this is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. This is 1.5 kilometer per hour. Sina kay tani stream gi taroidra speed of the stream gi wari ni na. Aduna 1.5 na speed of the stream never. Mana hangi na kay no what is the boat going upstream have never. Now look at this 5 and 2. Speed of the boat, if the ratio of the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream pyramid ko mana hangijna boat upstream have. So upstream the no speed of the boat tagi speed of the stream do khai do punatro. The 5 minus 2 ji kya tare 3 tare ba sijne ma ba to jina ado khode ge pyramid 2 unit siga 1.5 ka manara ga 3 unit ti kya tar ge to ni 3 jina kana no speed upstream ge ne ko 1.5 divided by 2 into 3. This is 1.5 again. 15 square 2.25 kilometer per hour tare, which is option number A. Ma'am, here ma'am. Yani yaro hero. Chapra. Is there any lake here? Ma'am, yaro hairdro gyan tarbo. Pura silent. Hey, te dang habi roke droke. Kya am lu wafam no hey te habu. Yare. Toro si mathang amuko. Si muktoro. So I am giving you next question. Try this within this second. Given time tick tick. Very good. Thamju loi gre. So ai hola ge ko ma'am answer ta na holo se hanta yenge matam kha pi. Anam tangam drabo. Hello, hi there, udana. Pura silent killer ki type le gaya ma'am ji. Okay, the speed of the boat A and B in still water is 25 km per hour and 10 km per hour respectively. Yarba, pyramid Here is it 2.5. So they have given you here the speed of the boat in A and B in still water 25 ni and 10 km per hour ne hai. They are 87.5 km apart. Mamani khena buje 87.50 km apart. They started moving towards each other, A going downstream and B going upstream. Okay, downstream chalagadi magi speed to stream speed to plus laani plus 5 km per hour laani. Mamonda vertical laani minus 5. You know, you can see here that plus 5 ka minus 5 ka cancel sir karne ko. Adudi after how much time they will meet have never. It doesn't need, we don't need this plus 5 and minus 5. Samaina amana plus 5 la amina amana minus 5 ina dum then samaina the plus la the netro speed of the boat ke hai tare opposite direction la adi plus la hai dana, so plus 5 ka minus 5 ka generally 0 tadra, so we just need this 25 and 10, that is opposite direction ina kai la ani ba speed should be sum up, so 25 plus 10 is 35, so 87.55 is the distance ni divided by speed 25 plus 10 di 35, 35 to the 2.5 km per hour tare, so 2.5 hours tare, 2.5 hours. Understand to reko ma'am? So ma'am, hello ji. Ma'am याद रहा? Okay Tarva? Okay? Next Thursday. A boat goes upstream. Now try this. I'm giving you 35 seconds. Try this. खरा थून होबा तमजिको मैम. A boat goes upstream for 6 hours and then goes downstream for 2 hours. The speed of the boat in still water is 2.25 and 10.75 respectively. If the speed of the boat in still water, it should be speed of the boat in still water is this, and this is speed of the current. So question ki kitang same to ke ko. So this is the speed of the boat. Speed of the boat sina speed of the current follow here. Again I am giving you time for this. Follow. Now try this. I am giving you 35 seconds. Try. I'll do very quickly first, then I will explain you how to solve in exam. Please listen to me very carefully. This is for your sake. This is for your exam point of view. It's very important. You have to know that, and I will explain it afterward very carefully. Okay. About goes upstream for 6 hours and then goes 2 hours. So upstream chale, downstream chale. So just karim the khaluno 6 and 2. You just anizigi ratio yango. This is 3:1. So speed sina kain upstream downstream speed of the downstream speed upstream speed ratio the angkanda 3 ga 1 ga marta kai 2 le. This is speed of the boat and khena do kya this is speed of the current then let us come how far is from the original position of the boat now. So similar okay no okay this is generally sidagi hot rajare sid lineman yam lai re ko sidi smai hot rajare generally man hai id mo speed po thoai mal do holu bane. But the question says how far is the position from samana car how much 6 hours. The upstream the abort goes upstream means upstream the done speed to minus lakani ba. So 10.75 minus 2.25 और क्या है 8.5 into 6 how to do multiplication very quickly 8.5 into 2 6 is 2 into 3 yarba 25 very good. Look at here now look at here I don't explain troke ko I kona tapna troke in exam how should we approach this is talking about how far from the original position. Okay distance flow to any so speed downstream upstream lakanda 10.75 I thuna har don't worry I will speak very the exam manner how should you approach an exam 10.75 10.25 you quickly sum and another is minus 10.75 minus 2.25 that is 8.5. This is the I'm gonna say not 10.75 and 2.25 this is 13. You should hek khanba the ayang maduna downstream and this is the upstream speed niko. Now man upstream the car is 6 hours 6 into 8.5 minus kay the wino samay chalani samay lagdo minus to ni hang manina so 13 into 2 8.5 into 6 how to do very quickly 6 is nothing 2 into 3 8.5 double 17 to 3 51 minus 13 to 26 you get 25 as quick as this. I will explain you now very slowly. You just move the 6 hours move tore then upstream the downstream kume you just move down for 2 hours mana hangije sidagina sibuki distance kayam lapke hangmani. So given is time I just need speed time and speed is distance so the speed patho kakhatpadi minus 10.75 minus into minus 2.25 there is 8.5 this gives you 51. Now sidere sibuki di 2 into plus 10.75 plus 2.25 that is 13 26 asang wajina 51 mateksna 26 sigi mateks di khaidona khangani 51 minus 26 25. Are you getting this guys now? Are you getting this? Hey Nico. So sida maru is okay no 8.5 into 6 how do we calculate very quickly 8.5 into 2 into 3 whenever 6 na multiply to about into 2 into 3 so 17.5 into 6 it becomes difficult for us so 17.5 ki double 35 into 2 70 samay lagto ni ko. Are you okay now? So let us move. I am Gyaloi Taraba. Sijo, I am giving you 35 seconds. Please try it very quickly. Time's up, guys. Time's up. Mn, I will do very quickly fast. Then I will slowly teach you. Okay? How will I approach an exam? And let us do it. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the current is 2 km per hour, it takes 3 hours more to go upstream than to go downstream at the same distance. So they are talking about 3 hours more. Okay, it takes 3 hours more to go upstream and to go downstream for the same distance. The distance is whenever. So what hiding, you know, a man can row 6 km per hour in still water. Simple, they have given you speed of the boat as 6 km per hour. And speed of the current pyramid, that's the speed of the current pyramid, this is 2 km per hour. And it takes 3 hours upstream to Sarpatagi Matam do Pung Ahum Hilam. So literally what is this? Upstream the Kava Matam na downstream Kava Matam the Gidum Hendo Leva. Adu the Kangam. Upstream na Kava downstream Kava the Hen Kangeva. Upstream time the distance of the speed the downstream speed na upstream speed the hen is a quick point number 1. Time down all agadi downstream speed sigi downstream time na upstream time na heli has sima khanga dabani. You have to know all these things. Okay, then what does it is ma hai je distance pyramid. I don't know what is distance here. Distance divided by speed is equal to time has me like so the magi time do. So upstream with time na downstream with time lagi heli have ne 3 tai hai ne mana. So d divided by speed te kya upstream speed te ani jagi 6 minus upstream the kya upstream की speed के हुआ नहीं मचा हुआ नहीं minus नहीं downstream ना plus 6 minus 2 that is 4 d minus 6 plus 2 that is 6 that's 8 is equal to 3 hours है now सिदगी कोई कहीं खंगों में d बुथों पे लाई what we'll do is d जे कहीं वे खलो ये if I put here d if option pyramid ba low era bane option bu yaudre kala je ko adu kai wani so LCM loro 8 tare 4 2 is 8 2 twice d minus d is equal to 3 so d ki value kya tare 24 tare distance is 24 now here is it very good gyan tara ba I repeat or ko mok mana hiding is kaino speed of the boat pyramid is 6 speed of the current pyramid 2 already downstream speed kai warni tinjanarni 8 upstream speed kai warni khaidonarni 4 tare already horen up man ha je pung ahum helem upstream ka baduna already d higher je ko distance to divided by elane adu si jo d divided by upstream the speed ke lani 4 minus d divided by downstream speed 8 is equal to 3 hours. Can you do from here? It is very easy. It is very small calculation. We don't need any hi-fi calculation here. This is LCM 8 2d minus 1d is equal to 3 that is d tare 8 3 is 24. So and I literally what I mean is loina method खुदिमक से लोइना है बिगदम ने shortcut method है shortcut का पांगनो even this becomes very handy in exam. It is very clean and clear sign. You just need see yam थुना पुथोक पमा दरकार ले see पुथोक पुजने and understanding of this concept. यारबा if you understand this time and distance become easier for you. I hope so you can understand it very well. मैम मथंग तो रजिको होजि understand मैम understand tawdagadi sir understand tawdi habiro understand tawgadi ai makha chatharaगे okay fine dang habiro okay fine dang habiro mayam khudimak answer nam dragajo okay fine dang habiro okay dang haju yare ai makha chatharaगे Simu taro. Kaya tarage answer ta adrabo. Answer ta nadrabo. Ising glass ama thauge changman. 4.5 kilometer per hour. Okay, let us do this question now. A man can row a speed of 15. This is like 15 kilometer per hour, 7.5 kilometer per hour in Tokpiro. Yarba 15 by 2 have the Tankai and 15 Tankai, the Tarin Makai Taredana. Yamna can 2 no divide over 3 and divide 4 divide over and I'm conjun we know. So when something like 35 say divide over Kahar was Kuntram Magi Tankai Jagan, we Kalo brain doing or Sitratian Makai Nika and Kalakani. 72 की तंखाई 2 न divide to 2 न समाइन divide to लेनो 72 की तंखाई जो क्या ना contract रो नहीं क्या बस अदुम इसा की language चाहन तो अदुने live हेन बने वो को अदुना खरा जो active होइसी को मैम so 15 by 2 is 7.5 अंकल लो है नहीं अंकल है तमी के शुले रो कितंग खोना बकन बात पे ने if it takes 4 times as long as you go the distance upstream and downstream I question the pa dum khange ma 4 times and 4 is to 1 downstream speed si mani upstream speed si mani khange speed of the stream puto hai okay didi ani gi average to kya ta re 4 ga 1 ga tisana manga ta re manga divided by 2 manga divided by 2 kya ani makhai ta re ani makhai je kai ta re speed of the bone hai re adu di khena bu kya no mari ga ani makhai ga khena bu je this is 2.2 kya khena re ama makhai khena re so this will be the speed of the stream turn current hai So 7.5 here me kanano this period the board na pijaram. So 2.5 it gives 7.5 then 1.5 or gadi to 7.5 divided by 2.5 into 1.5. Now 7.5 so 2.5 point yawi kamai kak sigam khalle. Just think 75 the 25 na kak paduga 7.5 ka 2.5 ka chaman emo. So 75 ta 25 na kagadi lupa kun mga ahum ni 75 tadra. Adumaina 5 25 nung kakle di yung yaro. Kitang open mind oyo ang kahop. Kitang broad mind. Lanjajan over you may take you can do mistake. You can do mistakes several times. But yam tina hong kani wa sige style ang kahop patam mo ko. Yam tina hong kani. 25 3 tare. Okay, this is 1.5 into 3 hal yung sa 1.5 into 3 nung puthopiro no ba. Just think. Okay, 1.5 into 3 the 15 is sulak power. Sulak ra pha tare. 15 3 is 45. So 4.5 tare. Samaina kitang khanba broad minded oiba ma darka leba pukchen chawo hai tar pukchen chawo ma darka leba angka hai ga de pukchen pi ga di angka hai roi ko pukchen pik pamina angka sungai hai roi pukchen chaw thok ma darka leba ka thok ma darka le ma hai ga har ga di angka hai ra di atop atai subject me andu di hai jara ge na lo ina radam angka je bu hek hai ra ko atai subject til adum automatically dum ina radam ne am Yaraba. Next thoughts. Ay khanbada question yare se hoji kida homework pirage screenshot lawro aldo kitang lubu mung toroge ko next question कहा यार वो इधर है so let us do this now ऐसे ताउरबा animal लोई ताउरे को so I will do another now काय लगे file पुत्रो file come on file ball and stream five and system time and distance ball and stream this citing this the live duni so सब माना मारे को ppt file je atopa yeng ko aru buri ta su to roi Nest Foundation ai thiwa khangdre da pai ko mem atang lai ko tang question phaja budro ke tom ai lo siam no gram delete okay si tau lo gram male ko lo gre so okay adu argadi ai hojik phaja ba question pirage ko ball and stream ai keno de horage hojik so let us do from here see what crash see what crash see what crash okay see hola ji question just dege na khara khantok pane aside si haigadra yeng ji ko noi si han holo aduga mathang question do mu hapake mathang idana muk ani han loge ko bhaja ngata hot pa hor ji ko si taro question thi bani question no heiram hoi holake ai tharake yani ngasi di tharada ngasi tharada क्या तारे से जे The speed of the boat in still water is 39 km per hour. It takes the same time for a boat to travel 25 km upstream as it takes to go 40 km downstream. What is the boat going upstream? 30 km per hour. Okay. Now, whenever it takes same time, whatever. So always remember these words. It takes same time. Whatever ko. Audi khallagi yango sida pyramid 25 km upstream chatpaduga 40 km downstream chatpaduga manai hairam magadi same time no one hai for example if you take one as the same time one to same time natra or 25 km per hour chale hai ne upstream speed se kai tare de 25 km in same time hari one khaluka just remember it take as one so 25 km upstream chat hai matlab kya hai 25 km in 1 hour that means 25 km per hour tare downstream to 40 km per hour dum hai jai are so what is the speed of the boy going upstream hai na so I am talking about 1 hour hai matam ni ko it is not given so I know je hai me am do ratio ne ba so 40 ga 25 ka ratio je kya ata hai this is 5 5 25 5 8 is 40 so 8 unit 8 km per hour ki unit ne speed ki wari ne se so 8 china kai ta ni downstream ni ta ni china kai ta ni upstream ni ta ni now speed of the boat is still what the 39 pyramid we know that the average of this 8 and 5 13 की तंखाई दी 6.5 ना कई तारनी speed of the boat तारनी अन्य की खेना सिगा खेना और सिगा खेना अमता हुई नी 1.5 नत्रा 1.5 से कई तारे speed of the current तारे otherwise speed of the boat in water do 39 km per hour orgadi akoi the 6.5 unit of speed se kana manai no 39 ga manai ne ko speed of the current that is 1.5 that is 39 divided by 6.5 into 1.5 6.5 into 5 5 1 15 5 75 7.5 kilometer per hour tare speed of the boat going upstream hai ko upstream de kai tar upstream yeng doni ko ai di current ki puthoy ko upstream gi di kaya unit no 5 se so 6.5 se ka 39 ga manar ga di 5 puthok ko deba so 39 divided by 6.5 into 5 so 5 tare 5 5 ja 25 tare 25 ta ga dam ni ko मैं आ रहा को नेक्स्ट तोरो सी मुहे पेंगे ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯑꯣꯕ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯨꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯣ Speed of the boat is still water Pijarameva, Simity Pijaram question. It takes same time, Haraminoko, same time, Haramina Quirka. You can take 2 hours also, you can take 1 hour also. Same time, Hamna Queen heck, same time, we heck Hirabako, no in Kanduja. Piramiba Anize, 25 ka 40 gazes, my thambiro, 25 and 40. Moina upstream ki downstream ki distance chali do haibadi distance is equal to speed into time haibani na time je chap mana na 1 law jeba the speed is equal to distance star d is equal to a star ba or this adu the pyramid distance ki ratio do adu speed ki ratio chap mana ni haine ba sibu yare ko so adu di downstream ki si tar ni sina upstream ki speed ki ratio tar ne ani je kak thanar ge khar pighal lage 5 5 25 5 as a 40 you know that now you get the ratio of the speed of upstream and downstream speed then what you will do is you will add and divided by 2 to get what to get the speed of the average 8 plus 5 13 divided by 2 is how much 6.5 this 6.5 is speed of the boat and the mana hangi speed of the boat pirame 6.5 haibajiga 39 km per hour ga manai pirame original da aina budok je kaino speed of the boat going upstream the 5 natra so 5 lere 39 divided by aina to idu lan ro khang de ko 6.5 into 5 aina hujiki e do lan male okay 6.5 5 13 the 65 13 3 39 30 tare so ngasai ni ido lale b so answer is 30 km per hour tare sanjeevani to chumme ko so I'm really sorry guys, I'm really sorry that I have just done a very big mistake here. I just cut 6.5 into 539 tire direct sat khare oh it should be 6 or gedam never soigre mayam wara we ade and you are right tarosi mutarode simung toksi mayam simung tobiro about takes this should be 5 hours you take 5 hours it should be I hapam wale 5 hours 30 minutes to go some distance upstream while it takes 3 hours to go 60% same distance downstream if the boat travels downstream at 33 km per hour what is the speed of the stream akhoi punsi sida ninghanaba kanogumba mayam tholakani ko like was the message some tharame satra noi da joi harake ko maje class yawbuda ngai ri ko oruga lai minari ba mayam do mon da gen hai ba khot ba yawba adu mayam yawde maje ninghanna ba khor phawda ado thaba mai tawda ninghanna raga aina ninghanna re haraga di toke haraga di adu ai hana afamdu da ai hana khalam mi do kaino what I punsi je lifestyle je kitang honge haina khallaga ne mina pikha thana dije anamana most of the peoples come to appear exam to promote himself natra promotion ama ai lifestyle je kitang hongba adu pung ani humok nongmada like pau haibane bain haina yam hawbada de yam hawma tamdi pung ani ga jam yam ne ba nongna pung ama tang wa ju pau pung ama tang wa ju phama pau sungpa padraga sungpa hek padraga di ai haina pabam khangdre haitre haga di video mayam lay noi de yengo ai haina ba paro angka tai kham haitre khaladi atop haina ba lari pa ba habit macha amne sagat pam tam thamgadab ne khoi jahan ado mayam na tawje kaino hagan ai haidin pikha tha lak pada lak to je मी चामा लापदने पिखाजे फॉर्म थाजन मी चामदने only मी कुंदने फजना compete तौदुजे only 20%. Only 20% will compete in the exam. Rest form fill up तौबगी just mayam थाजन नहीं ना थाजन में अनम मातने adu noidi adu category 20% चलबने because you are preparing for that. Noi 20% चले adu अमेना चरहनगे हारगदी out of that 20% 10% की मनोंदगी only 0.01% उन खन गिदुने होरेन कोना अदुंदे अखोय करम category चंजगे 100% की 80% चंजरा 20% noi literally हा बे होबगदी कायदा चले 80 20% चलबने because you are preparing अदुदगी मु 20% दुगी मु मनोंद चन अमुक सुम पिसन category अमुक लेरिबको नोमगी पुंग अनि हुम आई लाइक पाबे थादबा फजना पुंग अनि हुम पुंग मंगा तरुको पाब लै मीजे पुंग 10 पाबसु लै पुंग 32 पाबसु लै इदिस आई नोइदा नोंद पुंग 32 लाइक पाव स्वाय रोय नोंद पुंग 3 लाइक पादी यारे मैक्सिमम द पुंग 3 सिदि अतोप जुने पथाजौ कजु कायदे अदु पुंग 3 तो फजना निंगथीना पाव आई ngasi parama tae parado hainaba pabiyo haitrena khanbigano hairkani badum hainaba honabiyo aina haine if you are skipping anka gi parado sum skip torum chakrabo ko last mana ne sum thomak to noi khitang hoji naha oiri kan ai je khale tawge kan last anka dum tanar kani ma de anka jina ko subject se auna anka je ai takpa loikhre haira ju noi atopa subject mathang english lae khala ju ko adu anka di lepa ya deba noi reasoning takpa loikhre ha jo reasoning gi puzzle gumba adum di holo badum auna anka ji no mu daily basis ta no ma gi tongana pung ama ani di khaidok piyo anka hona matam je ai hojik noi class ta loena I will read for 1 hour pung ama di phade pung minute 30 minutes gumba khara hetak ona dum anka dum hole hayeng aina ai mu time table same meba ai heng class se ai gi maths foundation lairi adagi noi class lairi evening class lairi ko adu kai tak sige na mo lesson plan no sim to eba ko adi si question myam jo ano no kai kai le kai search story yeng ai ho to eba ko si mai ho de phajai kai adu mai na ai ju mayam samjai ne ba aduna ai hoje kamuk sin ge matam da youtube ta thoga mayam like ta ko swang sang de hoje I don't have even single time for that matam chulai tre but I have time for you guys noi matam me tu message thare ai dum hanbi gi noi na thare dum hanbi ai aduna adu gi kana badu lo ba give and take ngata ne noi na pisa thiraga ne like tami je adu de ai noi service ta ne ai noi le je ai no pi do je noi je phika phawon ba ai gi daita ne noi gi daita na kai no like pa bi hai ba ne class sang na yaw bi yu like je pa bi yu ai on da hang ba hango phone toro sar si khang dre kamai tori no na adum ma khara connection khara leitri gai di yaroi ba ai class ma yaw ne online na le ri yaroi ko akoi lam na le ga ju connection khara leiti yaroi ba you can call me anytime ai dum har kan ai class story ko torok I'm always happy to help you guys aduna tawro ningan na be ade haitraga jo dum hatana si karam mong na haitri do sar ai sung khang de ha jo hairo ai ta ke karam mong de khang du no ora script ki khang ma jo hai ko adu si class di mayam general oina yenga ena general level tak ne noi ai bang atam de ai bang mong nong talakani ba hai ta bang atanga re ha ga no hai te mong talakani ba adu bai moderate oin sapane ai je noi aduna yam line ta en noi waro ga no yam lu na ta ha waro ga no moderate ne in tai je yang advanced maths ai noi da kan ut kem ko don't look at this ai chhatra moina tamam bagi kan ut ke ko sidaina ama yauri ko just look at here okay ai sigi paraje tawning e noi da ko ado noi da ai thajilak buje yadri ba noi advanced maths kan sida naroni ko maths foundation le na adu da okay sigi paraje am happening maina noi da hap to advanced maths ka yoy je sida leiba question je u yeng je ba si maths foundation sigi thaina gi ne ko si question ga ji yeng ba si ga je noi da ai noi da tak pe look at here look at this question these are the mains question ai su ma question bu yam ai tak ta na te ba ko adu sigi je noi da heng wai talaki khali ne ba adu kitang level am di up to gi je noi na hujik tam ni ji ka su na tri ba ko aduna yengo siguma question statement conclusion ga ja faja ba ko lei aduna si para just part amani aina tamba noi tak to ba hojik aduna kitang kan hona biu hairakani karim ta khalunu direct si para haibani sine hai dose padari haite hola ji hojik question do kya dara 5 hours answer kya dare ma siguma question ga je aduna ai haijai mayam gyan tabiyo ko karim leitawni life se kitang kan honaro you will change tomorrow hojik thabak tawi tawdi karim khalunu mi nganing mangang da janu you have come to the right place right moment share tawsi mayam ada class sang na yo bi hoy class sang na yo 2 years ki matung kai legi leidoino khallo after 2 years what you want to become after 1 year what you want after 1 year pa magadi yam ti hona tare aroi bi do kan hona ta ba tumam chawang khang de hona dam no ai hang da mathang 2025 tai phika phau do sunga de ka har ga de ko 24 ja phau da han ta chei phau na ya de ha de loire aroi bi da pa dam and 2 years ki manung da phau ge na khallo ba yam moderate oi chalo no yam extreme oi na chapu ju kan de ba answer hole ji ko so a boat takes 5 hours 30 minutes to go to some distance upstream while it takes 3 hours to go 60% of same distance downstream. So this question is very important. Like 60% of the same distance. If a person is giving 60% of the same percentage, pung ahum jangagadi 100% chalagadi kyam chatoino si puthok pi lai hegedam neba noi si puthok bu lu ba yawng ni khange wena I can understand your feeling adu haino wana wa amda kamai haidoino sibu kamai hairoidoino 3 han thamo sida 60 duna makha thamani sida 100 sina si tham kakthana bdi haidana tat kakthana ro and it becomes 5 tar seasonal unitary method na tamdo adu duneba aduna heg undon 60% 3 hours ka mana agadi 100% puthoi je kai no khalamani ko 100% puthoi je kai no point wise som har ka angka khorama mong da hola kesine no ai ko mem nungai de haro ko ai point wise har ka why I am finding out this 100% 60% hot pe yadabra no point number 1 100% puthoi maram di kaigino har kanjida mana pirami ba 3 hours haibaje aseng ma nate ba 60% khak chat pado adugi wari ne pung hum chang have ne ba adu ahama da pirami jidi pung manga ga makhai chang have je sidi mana distance chat pada total oina pung manga makhai chang have ne ba adu 60% khak chat pada pung hum chalagadi maju total chalagadi pung kya puthoi have je darkar le ba kai do boino point number 2 ani compare to doje aham da pirami pung manga makhai ju distance mapung ini ani suju distance mapungi puthok darkar le ba ani je puthok tragadi compare to ya roi ko maram asina akoina hujik ani makse puthok pani aduna kai dore aham da pung manga makhai am pirame amana kyano pung kya tare manga am pirame now si piram matung da akoi kai puthok pa ya ba matam na kai semba ya ba speed semba ya hare so 5.5 hai matam da akoi da kitang khautak chaba nongai to yawe ba point yaw buje nongai tam ni na maram aduna kai dor ne aina som da ju 10 na multiply torge som ju 10 na multiply torga di yankhai manga ga yankhai ga on gre ba number je chawmali hai ba gi damak ta khoina kai dawi kakthat na re ba 5 na kakthat le ba 5 11 5 10 hojik 11 amasung 10 tholai je kari number no kamai to number no haira kanda mana pirame wari je si je magi matam changbe matam gi wari nga tane kakthok kaksin tori myam je adubu akoina khangi kai khangi matam na muk speed on ba yai ha ba je khange ba adudi akoina muk thamo downstream speed amasung upstream speed thamatam da downstream na always upstream da gi hena yang mani na achoba number do downstream da pire ba ko aduga tarajna masajna 11 tara pire ba adugi makha ta ba ke dawe sibu hek akoina downstream ga upstream gi ratio je mogi speed gi ratio phangagadi khoi kai putok pangame speed of the boat amasung speed of the current putok pangame speed of the boat na kamai putok pangame ani je tinjana biro divided by 2 taw haibadi average haibani 11 plus 10 that is 21 tare ba ko 21 da 2 na divide toragadi tara makhai phange ba sida phangai ba tara makhai jina kai kauge ba speed of the boat hara khangne ba aduga ani je gi khena ba 0.5 natraga tara ga tara makhai ga khena ba je 0.5 phango je sina speed of the current hara khangne ba adudi hojik moi gi ratio le phangol loire hojik question je sajala je ba mana pirame question nam hana downstream speed to kya na pirame ba 33 km per hour pirame ba adi akhoi gi downstream speed ti kya na logri je sida lai re ba 11 unit haiba siga 33 km per hour ga manar ga di akhoi kari puthok to no kana puthoktoino haibdo yengbiro speed of the stream haibna sida leire 0.5 haibani na 33 jida samai lakani haibdo divided by 11 laga 0.5 na multiply tarokan tholok answer do adu ki kawi 3 into 0.5 0.5 na number amabu multiply hek toroba number dugi tangkai on ganeba ahum gi tangkai de kyano 1.5 aina hai riba mayam do adu brain da circulation chatkadamneba jara 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 adu angka thurakaniba automatically mathon da circulation chalan dune khoi brain jida mayam gyan taraba hojiki khutak lo tar robot ki tak tak wa diam wai mayam punamak gyan tarangani khale ai motade mayam punamak gyan targadi habiro tai ta de do habiro do you want me to teach in this approach or do you want me to smoothly kamai pa me habiro mayam ge pam baduni tau do se question aruba mo hoche ko de ai question aruba hot ke bako ai hojiki to mai explain tor ke ba mayam khunimak haini bako let us do the same next question we should proceed mayam kitang ni message tharo na mi di ma 15 yeng noi sisu at least sir hojiki to mai taxi encourage to noi na sana pam jaw do hairo hainda ai sa tap mali thuro ha jo hairo no problem to min na leira ke do to min na pika phau ge ro khoi khang da bida khoi khang da bida pika phau ya pote ko hairam ga mi ko pika phau re sir kaina haira ka da min na thon phau ga to min na ga ai sir ai pika phau da hayo ikai da na hayo da ni sir ka is na yom da la phuda ga dam de de na tau yaw ri min ko na ga khang ta na okay si tau ta ji ji tau thabi ki question la a tau thabi wait now try this question a boat goes 5 kilometers upstream and 4 kilometers downstream in 8 hours while it goes 6 kilometers downstream and 8 kilometers upstream take 12 hours 30 minutes what is the speed of the boat when it goes upstream mayam si question je ai matam second kunthra ni phu pijage aduda mayam na gyan ta na hotbiro second kunthra ni phu da te minute ama hapsage aduda punamak na answer ta hello try to boy kolom hapaga to phamung da chepaga angka hopa yengadi yaro ko film na te ko thai je yarong adoi noi marak tu da hotpiro si question je ai hojiki mai holok te no क्या आता रहा है आंसर अखोई डिजिटल बोर्ड तो की है ना आई पाए जो केरो निको ग्राफिकल बोर्ड हाई तारा आई ना नोइदा ये आई नोइ ना कई दे ई नो खलम बे बको आई उलक के बको उल रोइदा साउंड तारे बे हमको साउंड जे नुआय साउंड कैसे दो दबरे हम साउंड कसी तौदब मैम साउंड 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 कसी तौदब मालिको हेक्ता साउंड यागंदब कल तल लेरबनी अरांग साउंड खितंग ताउरगा हेक्ता यारक्तब काय लेगरे क्वेश्चन दुबो ओके सिलेरा होलजे दुदी को नेक्स्ट येंगस नोगी वॉइस चार्ट हापिरौरा नोजो ngang बतानबा अइना दंग तादुबा नोई क्वेश्चन हंगपे यानबा okay let me do this now look yam nan har ke ko mana tari ko myam a boat goes 5 kilometer upstream and 4 kilometer downstream in 8 hours haibo ko pung nipan da mabani na chatpada changiba matam ne okay akhoi adugi tangkak to ma khange 4 kilometer upstream amasung 5 kilometer upstream amasung 4 kilometer downstream chabada pung manga pung nipan chang her while it goes 6 kilometer downstream and 8 kilometer upstream kabadana pung nipan trai thoi makhai change na haire adu ergadi akhoi da putho haije upstream putho haibne downstream je darka leite so akhoi irasi jik makha gi jan igera mathak gi je han igera ining ba iro kaisu kai ba ho mo leite so I'll just write makha gi jan holana hangai mathak sum idana ana samai ibi ai इथोक पिरो 6 किलोमीटर जे डाउनस्ट्रीम द चलिबनी सुमा क्वेश्चन लागदी अदुगा 8 किलोमीटर जने अपस्ट्रीम द चलिबनी अदुगा मतम चंगिजना 33 मखाई चंगेबा 12.5 33 मखाई चंगेबा को मथक किजने बोट गोस 5 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम एंड 4 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम हायब सो 5 किलोमीटर जना मोक अपस्ट्रीम द चले अदुगा 4 किलोमीटर जना डाउनस्ट्रीम द चलेबा अदु चंगमा मतमना अखोय क्या चंगे हर कांदा पुंग निपान चंगे अदु दे खलो अखोय कोक सिदा कै थोलकने हर कांदा आइना पामे बजे करिनो व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम हाइदुने अपस्ट्रीम की स्पीड पामने डाउनस्ट्रीम जे योन दरकार लेते डाउनस्ट्रीम जे दरकार लेते हाबदी मा जे होरेन चहन गी दोइने दरकार लेते इक्वेशन अम अनि लेरे इक्वेशन जे कमाय मांग गी दोइनो डाउनस्ट्रीम जे लोक खाइदो कांदा मांग दोइ नत्रो अदि खाइदो नो सिनजे अदुदी येंगसी खाइदोकान 6 तगी 4 खाइदोगदी अखोय 0 तादे करम कान ताई मबानी चप मानर कान खाइदोकान 0 ताएब सो अदु अरगदी नाकन नाम द स्वाद पुथोक पिरो 6 का 4 गा लेरिबा रेशियो जे पिक तक न येंकान द 2 3 ज 6 2 2 ज 4 तारे अदुदी 6 का 4 गा जे आइना 6 ना सिगी 2 ज द मल्टीप्लाई तौरबा 4 ना 3 द मल्टीप्लाई तौरबा अदुदी 6 2 ज 12 4 3 ज 12 मानरेबा अदमाय मानना बसिन बंदा हाइबदी हेंगै नो समाना वखन यम खनद्रगजु अनिगी लेरिबा रेशियो दो सितो 4 ना मल्टीप्लाई तौरो सिना 6 ना मल्टीप्लाई तौरो अदुगा पिक नबा चावना दम कैलकुलेट तौरजु याय अदु अंक ज थुनबि दमकता कोइना खर पिक नबा 2 गा 3 गा थंबै वानेबा नाउ 6 to 12 40 12 तारे सीजे अखोइना होलि जे कैनो सीजे खाइदोगा ना 0 तानबा होटखिमिना डाउनस्ट्रीम जे येंगोबै दरकार लेते अदु तानबा होलिमना दुम ताजरमने खाइदोकदा अदुदी अखोय मंगोंदा मल्टीप्लाई तबुना 2 जिनाने लोइना मल्टीप्लाई तौनिबा इक्वेशन खुदिमक्सिदा सो 2 ना मल्टीप्लाई तौरगदी 2 8 ज क्या तारे 2 8 ज 16 तारे 16 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम हाइने 12.5 into 2 दी क्या तारे कुन मंगा तारे अदमाइना 3 ना जो 5 तो मल्टीप्लाई तौर 3 5 ज 15 तारे 3 नो मल्टीप्लाई तरो 8 3 24 तारे 84 24 आवर तारे अदुदी हाम बगिदगी अनि सुबो खाइदोगदी 16 दे 15 खाइदोगदी 1 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम तारे अदुगा सिदना क्या तारे 25 तगी 24 खाइदोगदी 1 आवर तारे खलगे यंगो अपस्ट्रीम द किलोमीटर अमा चटपा अदो चंगबजिना मतमजिना क्या चंगे हाइनो सी स्टेटमेंट जिना पुंग अमा चले हाइनेब किलोमीटर अमा जे पुंग अमा द चंगगदी अखोइना कमाय हाय 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर हाइड्रा सो अपस्ट्रीम की स्पीड से कई तारे 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर हायनेब सो आंसर जे ए तारे हाइनेब हाइरद्रा मैम नान अमा स्टाइल अमा जोर क्रेको अदो सिना सेकंड स्टाइल नि ज्ञान तारबो यानी को सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तौरगे यानी को सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तौरगे हुजिकी दुमाइना मफम चाना सिल्लो अदुगा क्वेश्चन होलो हंता नमो खितंग हुजिकी दुगा मानदबनी अदुबो नियम दि चप मानबनी नियम जिदा मानाय दो व्हाट इज स्पीड ऑफ द करेंट मान हाय अदु ब्रेन ले होदो जे व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द करेंट पुतो के हाय गदि अखोय साइड डाउनस्ट्रीम जु अपस्ट्रीम जु दरकार लोय लाकनीबा अदुना इहान हाना डाउनस्ट्रीम पुतो केरा पुतो डाउनस्ट्रीम दो हापचलगा अपस्ट्रीम मु पुतो अपस्ट्रीम गा डाउनस्ट्रीम गा पुतो कांदा दंग नोय सिगी स्पीड ऑफ द करेंट फंगनीबा अपस्ट्रीम गा डाउनस्ट्रीम गा पुथोक्ट्रिगै अनिमक पुथोक्ट्रिगै दि करेंट पुथोकपा ngmoyba ko noigi sigi question da noigi task keno you have to find out sigi karen puthokpadi important oideba our important to find out or important is to find out the speed of the downstream and upstream speed to animak se puthokpadi important oeba si question da tawro aduga ngasi gi di si question da matam khara changaju ai take thengaba tumningaba ngalida 3.5. Very good, very good. I am hotar again, ma'am. Sigi sound clarity je sound clarity fazal lai raba ma'am. Sound clarity kamai lai is it very clear, clean and clear now? Sound system. Hanagi the mina taudraba je galaudana bu galaudu taudraba sound taba nuaitaba class nuaitaba gaido. What is the quality? Can you rate the quality of the sound so that I can improve more? Mayam ki mode phongtok piro si question tak tringai da. I want our class to be very very clean. Yam phajaba class sem kaningi. Nan yadabdu ne gamuda hek yade ha nongalaga ne nan chat na layris. Undang tak na bana. Ko to changkala taklain. Okay, sound phajana clear hoire sadandana sei sakpui makhon ga manare kayo. Isai ga sak sak tana tajra de. Okay. Aigi status to uraba myam. Wakhal gi da English sakpai do yam phajabni ko. Adu taw silwa kan horen taw ko. Tum nungai na madu gi. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 39 km 8 hours while 252 picture hai. So I'll just write 30 km upstream plus 39 km downstream in 8 hours. 52 km downstream and 36 km upstream chale and it takes kya ba 10 hours. Now ame ekta upstream mangan gera downstream mangan gera mangan lo khar nuai ta 39 52 je ai mangan lage hana. So you just write down 39 and 52 here. So 13 is sula khanga dabani 13 3 is 39 13 4 is 52. So if I multiply this number by 4, if I this number multiply by 4 and if I multiply this by 3 ga 4 thola on thona ga multiply to C number ni sab mana gra bane ba minus ta oni ko aur 4 3 is 12 120 upstream tare 4 8 4 is 8 4 is 32 hours tare 36 into 3 36 6 is 18 108 upstream tare 10 3 is 30 tare 30 hours. Now kya tare de 12 kilometer upstream the kabada 2 hours sangai. So distance by time is called the speed. The upstream speed kya tare 12 divided by 2, this is 6 km per hour tare. Hojik upstream speed khange hojik downstream speed pathokna bataro se ko. Now look at here very carefully what I am doing. We know upstream speed say 6 km per hour ne haragadi sigi aham equation da yenga jeba. So 30 km upstream the kabada aina 6 km per hour gi speed ta chatlai haragadi time di kya no distance by speed never distance na 30 ni speed na 6 ni aur 30 da 6 na divide taragadi 5 hours tholeba. So sigi haibaje it is also known as 5 hours haibaje areba. Aur the equation ji da si 5 hours form chalagadi kela ni 8 hours minus 5 hours is 3 hours utareba. So downstream da 39 km downstream chale distance na time na 3 hours ne hairagadi speed te kaita ne 39 divided by 3 that is 13 tareba 13 km per hour sina kaita re downstream speed tareba. Now we know 13 jina downstream speed 6 na upstream speed moina pamadu kaino speed of the current average 13 plus 6 is 19 divided by 2 is 8.5 9.5. This is speed of the boat and the difference between this or this that is 3.5. This is speed of the current. So you are getting answer A as the correct option. Mayam gyan taraba si je khot se ko hayani dana phajana hayrani ko mayam yarba aur isibuk tawji ko sigi note se thabirage sigi pura ke nojima ko ngasi disi thabirage ko. So I will just sai book tawji ngasi di hayeng di time and distance ki mathang para train ong hotchiko aruba leiri aruba do ai ko ai hayeng dum hapa jo hapa ke question khara mari banga hapa ke adu matung da train pai khage ko. So let us wind up session for today. Thank you everyone and good night.